today. Today could be the day that I turn my entire world upside down for the better. Today could be the day everything in my life changes. Today is the day I take all things in my life to another level. The truth is, it only takes a moment to make that decision. It only takes a moment. It only takes one moment to make a decision. One moment to say no. To say, never again. Never again will I settle. Never again will I accept anything but first place. One moment to be strong. One moment to separate myself from the rest.